we've recently worked with another customer that was just in the early stages of launching their first ABM program. They came to us with a solid target account list. They really understood who their buyer personas were, and where they really needed support was in putting all the pieces together and figuring out what kind of messaging was going to align to which segment, what kind of content to use, and what really made the most sense for them for this pilot. So we also went on and did an Engage workshop with them. During this process, we really sat down and looked at their target accounts, and we broke them out even more finely and essentially sliced them by account stage, by persona, by the product line that was most specific to them. And when we did that, we also mapped out all of their content by stage. So we were able to identify right out the gate some content that was already available to them. They didn't have to go build anything new or make any big changes. Align that messaging, but also identify that actually they had a lot of content for the top of the funnel, but for mid and late stage opportunities, they really didn't have as much. So during the session itself, we actually brainstormed and thought through ways to better resonate with people that were in the mid to late stage opportunity, and what kind of content, what kind of medium, what format would really best work for them. And they really came out of that meeting with some very actionable next steps on what they needed to go create to help keep engagement going along the pipeline.